This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some. Let's Unbox It MINISO edition. And if you saw part 1 of this video, then you know that I am one mother psychic. And that was my phone. That was not me farting. It was the phone. See, I was sliding it down. If you saw the first video, then you know how much I enjoyed my little Mr. Paw unboxing. And I was pretty mother psychic. So let's see if that luck is still with me or if I should have just walked away when I had the chance. I don't know. We're going to find out. But I am so excited because your girl bought a bunch of stuff and I can't wait to unbox it. So in today's video, we have one from Lulu the Piggy. Love Lulu. We have a couple from Pompompurin. We have 2 of these guys, which is the Childhood 4 Seasons. Weird name. And then we have, I opened this already, the amusement park one, and I got the teacup ride. I'm hoping that I didn't get the teacup ride and I got something else, but we'll find out. So I got 2 of those. And then I saw this guy, Pom Pom Mochi. I was like, who the f are you? But he is so cute. He's a tiny little bear. And I was like, okay, we need to open him. And then I got this one little guy, little dreamer. I love anything with a bear. I love bears. So I was like, I need to have this. So let's start off with the non-Pompompurin ones. And let's open those guys first. So let me start with him because I only have 1 box of him. So this is the Kumaru, the little dreamer. And this is what he looks like. Oh my God. That is adorable. I love all of them. I need the messy little painter. I need the beach photographer. Oh, me. Oh, bitch. Or the gold medal barista. Oh, I thought it was like barista. It's barista. Barista. I was hoping it was going to be barista because he's a little bear, but he's not meant to be. All right, so what I want, I mean, obviously the secret is amazing, but I think I would like the painter or the photographer the most. Then followed by, I like the autumn reader one. And then I like the gold medal barista. Also, the sweet pastry chef is pretty cute. Honestly, they're all really cute. And now I'm kind of like kicking myself for only getting one. Ugh, I'm a true loser. All right. I kind of have a feeling this one's going to be autumn reader, kind of like where my eye kind of gets drawn to first. But then again, I feel like maybe it's spring gardener because it feels like there could be an extra piece in there. It could be spring gardener. I want it to be beach photographer so badly because I'm a photographer. Well, in my former life, I was a photographer. Now I just do YouTube videos. Oh, it sounds sad when I say it like that, but you know what I mean. It is sad. So I want it to be that, but I don't think it's going to be that. I think it's going to be autumn reader or spring gardener. Let's see if I'm remotely right. No! Oh, he's so cute! Oh, he's a little guitarist. Oh, bitch. Okay, so maybe my luck is running out. I kind of, you know what? I blame myself because what I did in the last video was I was like in such a good mood. Like any gambler, I was like, oh, you could take my good vibes. And I think y'all stole it. You drank me dry and now I'm dying. Now I lost my power. You bastards. Okay. I have no one to blame but myself. And that's what happens. You know, that's what happens when you are too nice. Okay. Oh, he has a little hat on. Oh, shut. Oh, this little bastard. Hold on. I got to put his little thingy. Oh my God. Stop it. Oh, he is so sad. He reminds me of my one ex-coworker that only knew how to play one song, and it was draining to say the least. Oh, I love his little shitty beret. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's bitch. Okay. He's really cute though. And I kind of regret not getting more of these little guys. Oh, their little arms raise up. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna put him there. I was like, wait, no card? Yeah, no. Just in case I don't remember if I showed you the card or not. But anyway, that one was really cute. I got to be on the lookout for this little guy because he's super sweet. Okay, wasn't the one that I was looking for, but I'm not mad about it though. Okay, I kind of want to do this one. Oh, I love Lulu. Lulu the Piggy. All right, so this one, okay, it looks like it's gonna be like a little scene, which is kind of fun. So I kind of want it to be lean a bit, because it reminds me of my days of having to travel in the great big scary A train, and I love that. Oh God, I do not miss that place one bit. So I kind of want it to be lean a bit, but I also kind of love deep thinking because he's like in a little can, and I love that. I'm also happy with taste of snacks because your bitch is snacky. I want my piggy to be snacky. I also love bedtime story because it looks like he's reading to a little kitty, and I think that's pretty cute. So I want this to be lean a bit. Is it going to be lean a bit? Here's hoping. Oh wait, does all of them come like this? Oh, I think all of them comes like this. Oh, that is so cute, bitch. Okay, definitely not. It's let's draw. Oh, bitch. Okay, hold on. Oh, this mother. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, wait. These are so cute. This really kind of exceeds my expectation and then some. And he has like a giant piece of paper, and then he sits. Oh, this motherfucker's just drawing. Living his best life. I think this one is super cute. Not the one that I thought it was gonna be. And again, I think it's because I sent you all my good vibes. And it's something that I'm gonna have to learn not to give away. But it's okay because this one is so cute. Look at the card. That card's so fun. Yes, we love the card. I kind of want to try this one again because I really want the lean a bit. Because as someone who loves public transportation, I kind of want it. So here's hoping I get it in the future, but I like this one. This was fun. Let's move on to this guy, Pom Pom Mochi. Pom Pom Mochi is so cute. And these feel like two different weights, which I feel like in this day and age really mean nothing, but I want the secret. I want the Pop Pop meatballs because that's fun. But I really would love the Bao Bun Shop, the sweet potatoes, the crunchy pancake stand, the burst pop. Honestly, all of them are really good. I do love the sweet candy skewers or the sweet cotton candy. Can I tell you, there was a period of time where every night for me to go to sleep, I would just watch, I think they were in Malaysia, but it would be people that would make like cotton candy or like pancake art. Oh my God, do yourself a favor and try to find the pancake person. I don't know. It was just always this person, and they would just like make like just really hilarious looking cartoons that just look so just funny and like kind of janky, but like in a really sweet kind of way. And it'd be like a Powerpuff Girl, but it would just be like Snaggletooth. It was so amazing. I loved their artwork. It was so good. And they would do that too with cotton candy as well. And it would be kind of amazing because it'd be like this intricate thing, and then it's like, oh, 25 cents. And I was like, bitch. In America, they would be like $75 for that. And people would happily pay for it, myself included. But no, I have to see if there is a stand still at the mall. Florida Mall, apparently they had like this really kind of crazy ass like unicorn. I don't know. I think the unicorn one was like $25, but it was like this giant like sculpture of cotton candy. Anyway, I'm sidetracked here. Anyway, point is, I really would love the sweet cotton candy one. I think one of them is gonna, I feel like this one might be, I might say that this one might be the fragrant Bao Bun Shop. Oh, you know what? I think it might be Ramen King. Let's see if I'm right. Sweet potato boy. Oh, he's so happy. He's sitting there eating a sweet potato. Oh, that's so cute. So you get like this little canister. Oh my God, shut up. And then you have like a little sweet potato. Oh, he's so cute. I was like, wait, he also, it's actually kind of funny because he kind of looks like, so growing up, I had a Pomeranian. His name was Peanut. And he kind of looks like my old Pomeranian Peanut. And I kind of love that even more, actually. Oh, hi, Peanut. Man, I told you, the kiss of death was giving you my good vibes because I am fucking 0 for 1,000 here today. Oh, shit. Okay. This is when you walk away. But I'm not mad at the ones that I did get. It's just, I feel like my psychic abilities not doing too good right now. Okay, I kind of feel like this is gonna be sweet candy skewers. It just feels like it's gonna be big. That or the Squid Shack. I'm gonna say it's either gonna be one of those. Final answer, sweet candy. Bitch, I'm back. I just hit a 50, okay? Oh, Peanut. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. He has tiny little, oh, bitch, hold on. Oh my God, he has like little candies. We gotta put in his little hand, hold on. Oh, you are so cute. I love you. Okay. Get a little candy. Oh, he is so... This little strawberry boy. Oh, he is so cute. I love him. I really would have loved the cotton candy or the squid, as well as the crunchy pancake stand. Ah, bitch. It's okay. Or the bouncy ramen. Honestly, I would get the whole set of these because they're actually really cute. And I've never seen him before. And he's just so adorable. Oh my God. All right. I love that. Okay. All right. I feel good. I feel good. I'm back on top. Now, am I going to remain on top is the question. Oh God. All right. Hold on. All right. I kind of want to rip the Band-Aid off of these guys because I got the teacup ride. And I kind of have a feeling I got the teacup ride again. I kind of have a feeling. I don't want it, but I kind of have a feeling I did. But anyway, I would be happy with any of them. I really want the pudding rush chair or the park photography. Those are like the big ones that I really want. Exclusive parfait cup, yes. Obviously the secret, duh. The pirate ship is really fun too, but I really would like park photography, but I kind of feel like if this is not the teacup ride, this is definitely the pirate ship. Bumper cars would be amazing too, but I have a feeling this is going to be the teacup ride, but I want it to be the pirate ship. Bitch, it's a pirate ship. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, all right, good. Oh, I love this. Oh my God. Oh, so good. Oh, shut up. Oh, wait. That sounds like, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Shut up. I'm not gonna say it. Oh, okay. Oh my God, that's so fun. Okay, wait. Let me just open up all these little accessories. Hold on. Oh, look at this boy. Okay, you're gonna put this little guy here. Okay, or maybe not. Maybe. Okay, now you're gonna, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, so we have him. Okay, he's gonna go up here, and then we're gonna put, is this how it goes? I think so, right? Yay, I got it right, okay. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time, because, okay, hold on. It sounds like a vibrator that's dying. I hate that, but I love it so much. So much. Oh, bitch, we got the pirate ship. Oh man, everything's coming up. Millhouse, this is so good. Okay, we have one more of these boxes, and then we have two of these guys. I think, bitch, why does it have tape on this? Huh, it has tape on this box. What is that about? I didn't even notice that, actually. Oh, because somebody tried to... Actually, wait, why the fuck does it have to... Oh, because it was like a little rip. Okay. Ew, I don't like that. Okay, so what do I think this is gonna be? I want it to be park photography so badly, but I want it to also be pudding rush chair. I will be happy with either one of those two, as long as it's not teacup ride or pirate ship. I don't think it's pirate ship because it feels kind of not as heavy as pirate ship. Bumper card's also great, as well as exclusive parfait cup, but I kind of want to, I'm gonna shoot my shot and say this is pudding rush chair. It's either gonna be pudding rush chair or park photography. Bitch! Yay, it's park. He lights up! What? Oh my God, hold on. Wait. Wait, hold on. Oh my God. Oh, this is, oh, okay. I need to go play the lottery today. But all right, hold on. Oh my God, there's so many little things. There's so many little things. All right, his little friend, right? His little friend's gonna be right here. So we're gonna put his little friend on a stand. We love a good assistant. Oh my God. Okay, so we have the little assistant. There you go. Little park photography. And then here, I'm pretty sure he is holding, Pompompurin camera. Oh, little bastard. He's so cute. And then he's also holding these adorable. Oh my God. Okay. And then this guy is, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, wait. I think you're doing this. I think you're holding. Yep. Okay, you're holding your little snacky poo. And then, isn't it so fascinating? And then we gotta put you, oh, let me tell you, years of student loan debt was worth it. Oh my God, look at this. Shut up, bitch. Oh, I'm so happy. I think I have to retire the series because I got too lucky. There's just 3 of them. If I want to find the pudding rush chair or the bumper car, I think I might have to like just search for it online. I don't think I'm ever going to get that lucky again. I got 3 of them out of the series of 6. Like that's pretty fucking good. I gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them. We gotta fold them, okay? We gotta fold them. Oh my God. Okay. So we're up to our last 2 boxes, okay? This is the Childhood 4 Seasons. I don't really know what that means. The 4 seasons. That's weird. Okay, wait a second. So you have spring blooming. Oh, I love the relief moment. I just kind of love that he just looks like a fat Southern man. Just a fat Southern man just sitting there. Fanning himself, drinking some sweet tea. I kind of love that. I want the relief moment, okay? He looks like a fat Southern man, and I kind of love that. I love autumn harvest. I do love the summer fishing. Oh, the field trip is so cute. Spring blooming, they're all so adorable. The winter is really good too. One feels kind of light, one feels a little bit heavier. I'm gonna start with the lighter one first. I feel like the light one's going to be, this one might be winter routine or field trip excursion. I'm gonna say this is winter routine now. Feel it in my gut. Bitch! Listen. Oh, this is so, I can't handle this. This is so cute. Oh, you are, oh, look at me, he has a little asshole. Actually, wait, do you see a little butthole? Yeah, you have a little butthole there too. Good for you, buddy. Wait, where's your butthole? Hey, here's your butthole. Do you have a butthole? Yeah, you got a butthole too. Oh, what about your other friend? Yep, he got a butthole. Oh no, hold on. Oh, boy lost his little thing. Hold on. I got too excited looking for a butthole. Okay. Oh, he is so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love the little snowman. And it's kind of perfect because we're technically in winter. Well, in Florida, it's 80. It was 80 today, okay? Like fucking crazy. But I know where you're watching it. If this is February, it's probably like 30 degrees. And I'm sorry, but here it's 80. It's hot. I think, okay, I know I go big or go home, Theresa. Go big or go home. Double or nothing. I think this one's gonna be, I want it to be relief moment. But this could also be summer fishing. It's either gonna be those 2, but I think it's gonna be relief. I'm gonna say relief moment. Relief moment, double or nothing. No, but it's fishing now. Oh, it's fishing. Listen, I'm okay with that. Oh, I wanted it to him to be such a fat, like a, but it's okay though, it's okay. All right, oh, there's a lot of pieces to this one. Oh, and there's a little fishing pole. Motherfucker got a fishing pole. Oh, by the way, I did not show the card for the first guy. There's a little snowman boy, okay. And then here's the little fishing boy. So cute. Okay, so let me, oh, he is so sweet. I simply cannot. You gotta put your little friend right here. Ow, look how cute he is. Again, not the one I wanted, but I'm okay with it. I need to get that relief moment. Just something about him fanning himself is killing me right now. It's killing me. Oh my God, okay. You know what? We started off kind of like iffy. I was really scared, but we ended really strong and I did not get a duplicate. What the fuck? The gods were shining upon me and now I need to go and buy a lotto ticket tonight because I'm feeling extra special. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these little guys, and if so, are we twins? Are we not twins? What's going on here? Let me know because I love hearing from you. Oh, sweet baby. I can't with these. I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.